I'm going to show you how to install a Cove Doorbell camera. Let's get to it. Here I am unboxing it. This is the camera. Peel off the plastic layer on the top. Whoop. Then this is the mounting equipment that you'll need later. Then we have the chime. The plug that goes on the chime. The charging cord. More mounting supplies. And electrical supplies. First step, you gotta put the plug in on the chime. There we go. Twist it. You're going to need to charge the camera fully before you plug it in. You're going to open up the little plastic on the side and you plug this in to the wall. You will need a box if you don't have a USB plug at your house. There's also a slot for a micro memory card. At this point, you need to turn the power on to your camera. It's behind the same plastic flap as the charging area. It's this little teeny tiny button right here. You hold it down until it talks.
Camera on. Welcome to your new camera. Please follow the instructions in the user manual to download the app and pair your camera.
You're going to go to the hamburger menu, open it up, tap cameras, add a camera. Then you're going to scan the QR code on the back of the camera. Then you insert your SD card and add your Wi-Fi. Then you're going to scan the QR code with the camera. Your camera will let you know that everything's working.
Disarming camera.
Then you're going to name your camera. Now you're ready to go to install it on your door frame. It comes with this adhesive strip so you can stick it on the wall if you don't want to use screws. You just peel it off like a sticker and then stick it to the wall. Or you can use the mounting bracket to mount it to the wall permanently. And we'll show you how to do that. If you're going to wire your doorbell to your old wires that are on the wall outside your door where a doorbell is supposed to go, you connect them using the little parts that comes in the bag. So you have these connecting wires. You have two little tiny screws. You'll have wires coming out of your wall that probably looks like this. You're going to take the tiny little screw and you're just going to screw it into the back of your doorbell camera. Then you're going to wrap the wire around the screw and then tighten it with your screwdriver. Once that's done, you'll just mount it to the mounting bracket. I'll show you how to do that one. If you don't want to wire it, or you can't wire it, it's fine. The wires are just for charging it, but you can just charge it using the charging port. You're going to take the screws that came in the pouch. You're going to screw it about 4 feet off the ground so you get a good view. When that's done, you just snap the camera into place. Then when you need to charge it, you take the little key that came in the pouch and just slip it in the hole in the back and wiggle it out. There's a little hole. Here's how you change the chimes. To change the chimes, on the chime there's two little buttons. One's for the volume and one's to change the chime. This one's the volume one. This one's to change the chimes.